Welcome to Little Champs Learning. Now, we are going to learn how to find out any square you want to. This method is a general method. It is applicable to any square numbers. Gradually, for this technique, we will start with squaring a two-digit number and then we will proceed towards any number. It takes a lot of practice to get the square of numbers in seconds. But it does not take a lot to understand how you can do that. So, without wasting any more time, let's start with square of numbers. Believe me, you can do squares of numbers mentally too. But for that, you need to do a lot of practice. For example, you have to find a square of 12, which is nothing but 12 times 12. Okay, to do this squaring in just one step, you get the answer in one step. You have to follow three there are three steps actually to get the answer. First, you have to multiply 2 by 2. Okay, so multiply 2 by 2, which will give you 4. Okay, in first step, what you have to do? Multiply 2 by 2, you will get 4. The second step says multiply all the numbers in your question. So, I will multiply 1 by 2 and then what the product I will multiply again by 2. So, 1 times 2 will give me 2 and 2 times 2 will give me 4. Okay, so you have to multiply all the numbers together in your question. So, you have again 4. The third step says you have to square of this first number. I did square of this first number. So, this is my answer. Let's try one more question. Now, if you have to find out for say square of 22. Okay, square of 22, which is nothing but 22 times 22. If you do by conventional method, it takes a lot of time. But by speedway, you can do it very easily. So, the first step say square of this number. Square of 2 is 4. Okay. The second step says you have to multiply all the numbers in your questions. That means 2 times 2 and you have to multiply all the number. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 will give you 8. So, I am writing 8 here. Now, the last step says you have to multiply again this square. You have to multiply this number by itself, which is nothing but the square. 2 times 2 will give you 4. So, this is your answer. I hope you are getting, and it is just so quick. If you have to find the square of say 73 square, how you will do? First, you have to multiply this number by itself, which will be 9. 3 by 3 will give you 9. Now, multiply all the number together. That is 7 times 3 is 21. 21 double will give you 42. So, I am writing 2. I am putting 4 down. That is my carryover. In speed maths, we write carry down. Now, you have to get the square of this. That is 49 and plus 4, which will be 53. So, this is your answer for 73. Now, let's see one more example of this type where you are getting a carryover. So if you have a square of 69, which is equal to 69 times 69, now you have 9 square, which is 81. So, that is 1, carry 8. 6 times 9 will give you 54. Double of 54 is 108, which is added to 8 will give you 116. Just see, it is 116. Okay, so I am writing 6 and this time I have 11 carryover. Okay, now I have 6 square, that is 36. 36 added to 11 will give me 47. So, this is your answer and it is just so easy to get this answer. So, this was square of number up to 99. You can take any 25 questions of your choice and you can apply this rule and you can do it so easily.